So this is a really nice bike mount by Pro Bike Tool. It's a vertical upright bike stand and it has a 2.3-inch tire width and 29-inch wheel size. And so this is really great for the garage or wherever, if you store it at the doorway or wherever you store your bike. And so it was very easy to put together. You just have these were attached, and that's where the tires cinch in. You just put on the foot rests, and the bar goes in, the little plate goes and covers there. There's only 4 screws that go in, and that's it. That was easy enough, and it's made of high tensile steel. So this has a stretchy, secure cord for your wheel to the bar. Then put your bike vertical and back it up into the clips and rest the seat bar.